Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through I'm going to actually answer the question of how can you change nickname on Binance PC. Now it is important to differentiate between your general Binance account name, that's identification name, and a nickname that might appear in specific Binance features like Binance Square. So we're going to concentrate on Binance Square today. Let's get started. For Binance Square nickname, if you're looking to change the nickname displayed within the Binance Square, that is the Binance social platform, the process is generally as follows. First, you have to log into your Binance account, then navigate to the Binance Square section, find your profile icon, and look for an edit option within your profile settings that will allow you to modify your nickname. It's as simple as that. It's important for you to consider that account identity. You see, your core Binance account identity, which is tied to your verification, is different from a display nickname. So changing your verified legal name is a more complex process and usually requires going through Binance customer support and providing proper documentation. Information indicates that if you set a name within Binance Pay, that name could also be used within other areas of the Binance platform, and that those names may be hard to change after they are set. For any official or complex changes to your account information, it's always best to refer to the official Binance support resources or contact their customer service directly. Therefore, the ability to change nickname is mainly related to features like Binance Square. For core account verification, it's a more involved process.